Hey guys, camping season in Vancouver is just around the corner, so I ordered this Mossy Oak knife set from Amazon. It's a 15 pieces set, comes with the machete knife, axe, hunting knife, stone sharpener, 50 feet long rope, 250 lumens flashlight, fire starter flint stick, 5 carabiners. Also comes with non-rechargeable batteries. It would be nice if the flashlight were rechargeable, but again, it's a budget set for $60 Canadian, and right now spring sale price is down to $46. So if you're thinking of buying, take advantage of the sale and grab one for yourself. So I got a measuring tool here just to show you the actual dimensions of the machete, hunting knife, and the axe. So the machete is 16 inches, the axe is 10 inches, and the hunting knife is 9 inches in length. So now let's see the thickness of each. The machete is 2.9 mm, that means that is like almost 3, like 9 gauge. And the hunting knife is 2.8, that's almost 3 mm, so it's like almost 9 gauge as well. And lastly, the axe is 2.8, so like they are about the same thickness. The thicker one is like very close to 9 gauge is the machete. The machete sheath has 3 pockets, so it's perfect for the sharpener and the fire starter, and it feels heavy enough for its size. The handle is comfortable, so I'm happy with this set. Again, right now it's on sale for 46 Canadian dollars. I will leave the link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.